Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we talking about the Golgi complex. Okay, in previous video, we talking about the structure of the Golgi complex right now and their history and structure of the Golgi complex. In this video, we talking about the function of the Golgi bodies right now. What is the function of the Golgi complex or the Golgi body? That is synthesis and secretion. But first one function of the Golgi complex is the formation of secretory vesicles, right? But here the Golgi complex processes and packages protein. You know that on the endoplasmic reticulum surface, ribosomes present. Here the protein synthesis take place here, okay? And these protein are penetrate into the lumen, okay, and they are transferred to the Golgi complex for the processes and packaging right now. And these protein and lipid coming from the ear of transport right now to other part of the cell or out of the cell. Packaging involve wrapping the material by the membrane forming a secretory vesicle. Packaging means what? This material pack into the one membrane right now, and these are membrane with the material, this is called as the secretory vesicles, right? And this materials of pack include the zymogen in pancreatic cell, mucus in globulate cell, lactoprotein in mammary glands, pigment granule in pigment cell, collagen in connective tissue cell, hormone in endocrine cell. Right now, different example present here. Right now, it means packaging of this material into the membrane forming vesicle. This vesicle is called as the secretory vesicle right now, and this packaging work carried out by the Golgi complex or the Golgi bodies. So these Golgi bodies have the function of the formation of secretory vesicle because they pack this material or this protein into the membrane involving. It means form the one vesicle right now. That's why this is the function of the Golgi bodies. Then second one function is the synthesis of carbohydrates. Okay, this Golgi apparatus synthesizes the certain mucopolysaccharides from simple sugar. That's why they are also involved in the synthesis of carbohydrates. Okay, then going toward the formation of glycoproteins. Golgi apparatus linked to sugar with protein. Right now, this Golgi apparatus links sugar with protein coming from rough endoplasmic reticulum to form glycoprotein. Right? That's why they are involved in the formation of glycoproteins. Then going toward the addition to cell membrane. This Golgi apparatus provided the membrane material for the plasma membrane. Okay, it means addition to cell membrane, it means the Golgi apparatus provided the membrane material for the plasma membrane, when the latter must enlarge for the formation of pinocytic and phagocytic vesicle and for the formation of cleavage furrow during the division of animal cell. Right now, that means the secretory vesicle discharge their content by exocytosis. You all know that at the time of exocytosis, this plasma membrane extend here, okay, then trap this material, food material, okay, and then form the one vesicle. This vesicle may be called as the pinocytosis or phagocytosis. They depend on their which type of the material present. Right now, here also the this a membrane addition take place by the Golgi apparatus. Okay, and this enlarge the cell membrane, since endocytosis removes segment from the cell membrane. Right now, the transfer of the membrane from ER via transition vesicle. Okay, and this Golgi complex and secretory vesicle to the plasma membrane is called as the membrane flow. So, this Golgi complex involved in addition of cell membrane. Okay, then membrane transformation. Golgi complex changes one type of the membrane into another type. So, they are involved in the membrane transformation. Okay, what is meant by the membrane transformation? Change type of the membrane. Okay, and these membrane are gradually modified from the ER. Right now, ER type to one with characteristic of plasma membrane, right, and they shift through the Golgi complex. Okay, then next one function is the formation of cell wall. In some algae, cellulose plates or cell wall is synthesized in Golgi complex. In higher plants, like you all know that endoplasmic reticulum also involved in the formation of cell wall around the two daughter cells at the time of cell division. Right now, here Golgi complex are also involved in the formation of cell wall in some algae. Right now, in higher plant, the Golgi complex synthesizes pectin and some carbohydrate necessary for the formation of cell wall. Right now, that's why these Golgi complex are involved in the formation of cell wall. Okay, then next one function is the formation of lysosome. The Golgi complex gives rise to primary lysosome by budding. Okay, it means this lysosome formation also take place from the Golgi complex. It means origin of lysosome is from the Golgi complex. That's why they are used in the formation of lysosome, and their formation take out from the primary this pinch of the Golgi complex end here. Right now, it means cisterny pinch of here. Okay, and form the primary lysosome by budding. The lysosome may also arise from the endoplasmic reticulum, right? Lysosome also arises from the endoplasmic reticulum, no doubt, but they also arises from the Golgi complex. Okay, then acrosome formation, very important role of the Golgi complex. Okay, here the formation of the acrosome, this is very important function of the Golgi complex. Right now, you know that in the sperm, the head part present here, and these acrosome part are formed from the Golgi complex. This is very important function of the Golgi complex. Then next one function is the formation of yolk and choroidal granules. Okay, the Golgi complex produces yolk and cortical granule in the egg. Okay, this is also a very important function of the Golgi complex, formation of yolk and cortical granules, right? And formation of yolk is called as the vitellogenesis. It means the Golgi complex have the very important role in the vitellogenesis. Okay, then the formation of nematocyte and trichocyst. Okay, the Golgi complex gives rise to the nematocyst in Hydra and perhaps also in other coelenterates. Okay, and trichocyst in ciliates such as Paramoecium. Okay, that's why they are involved in the formation of nematocyst and trichocyst. Okay, then next one function is the storage of secretion. Very important function. Golgi complex stores cell secretion such as proteins and lipids. Okay. Then going toward the absorption of material. Golgi apparatus or the Golgi complex absorb material from the environment. Which type of the material? For example, cells of the interstitial lining use Golgi apparatus to absorb lipid from the intestine. Right? That's why they are involved in the absorption of material. Then location of enzyme. The variety of enzyme are located in the Golgi complex. So, these Golgi complex are involved in the location of enzymes. Then, what is the importance of Golgi complex? This Golgi complex is often referred to as a traffic center or traffic police of the cell because its enzymes sort out and modify cell secretory protein passing through its lumen and membrane protein in its membrane and direct them to their proper destination. Right now, and again another important function is that they are located in the between the nucleus and the plasma membrane. Right now, this is very important function of the Golgi complex, that is the traffic police. Why? Because its enzyme sort out and modify cell secretory protein passing through its lumen. Okay, and these all these type of the references used here. Thank you very much. In this video we talking about the function of the this Golgi complex. Okay, thank you very much.